No, no, no. My favorite drink, tequila.
You don't like tequila.
I don't like tequila.
I do, though.
You do. So let's get it out of the way.
What do we got?
It's supposed to be a cocktail, but I'm going to make it a shot. It's tequila and Amaretto. I'm going to use Don Julio and Disorono. 1, 2.
That's how you measure liquor?
It is today. 1, 2.
That wasn't even, you weren't even pouring when you said 1, 2.
I counted in my head.
Before you poured it?
Yeah, just to make people think I was counting out loud when I was pouring. What does it matter? Where's your glass?
I don't know, bartender.
I got it. Found it.
Thanks.
I don't know about this one. It smells like tequila.
Well, it's tequila, David.
I don't like tequila.
I do.
I'm already a little. All right.
Looks like.
Don't say Virginia Beach water.
It doesn't. It looks like apple juice.
It's mostly clear.
No, it's not. I mean, I can see through it, but it's apple juice.
You know, clear is the ability to see through something, so it's mostly clear. I don't know how I feel about this.
I like that smell. It smells like caramel. No.
It smells like tequila.
I think I smell more of the Disorono. Cheers, David.
Cheers. Yeah, it's tequila.
Oh my God. I think I love that.
It's tequila.
It's got some spice on it from the tequila on the back, but
It's tequila.
that's getting a thumbs up from me.
It's tequila.